Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have an ornament tree that I plan to give to my grandmother. I thought it would look nice in her bedroom. I wanted to share this in case you are looking for ideas and wanted to make something similar. It's a tree that can range in height depending on how many ornaments you use, and you don't need string lights. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, just keep watching. First, I took a small burner cover that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and spray painted it with Design Masters Rose Gold. After the paint dried, I arranged the ornaments around the burner in a circle so I can determine how wide to make the base of the tree. For the base, I glued together 11 ornaments. This is the row that will determine how high the tree will be. On the next row, I glued together 10 ornaments. Have you joined the new Facebook group, All Things Home Decor? If you want to connect and share ideas with other creative and talented individuals, join today. The link is in the description box below. Once I finished each row, I waited a couple of minutes for the glue to dry. While I waited for one row to dry, I started working on the other one. As I made each row, I would place it on top of the previous one and glue the ornaments together. I repeated the same process until I had 3 ornaments on top. I'm not sure whether I mentioned this earlier, but for each layer I subtracted 1 ornament. Now that I had a row of 3 ornaments, I only added 1 more to the top in the center. I found this pretty tree topper, but I didn't want to attach it to the top of the ornament because I thought it would be too heavy. Using my needle nose pliers, I'm going to straighten the wire at the bottom so that I could clip it off. Next, I hot glued the tree topper on the side of the ornament for stability. Now that that's done, just take a push light, place it on top of the burner cover, and place the tree on top. That's it. Just imagine the possibilities. Wasn't that easy? Share this video with someone you think could make this. Thanks guys for watching. If you would like to see a complete list of the items used for this project, check out the description box below. If you're on Facebook or Instagram, I would love to connect with you. On Instagram, I'm at Designs by Trisha, and on Facebook, I'm Trisha JA.